I found a cheaper and better way to charge my GoPro 10 batteries. Let's check out this Artman battery charger today. Hi, this is David Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox and check out this Artman charger and its batteries for GoPro 9 and 10. I've used mostly GoPro OEM batteries and chargers before, but I'll share why a change to the OEM charger made me look elsewhere this time. This charger and batteries cost less too. There is a catch I'll share at the end though. The charger and batteries came in this rather generic brown box. Mine came with a charger and 3 batteries. GoPro 9 and 10 use the same batteries, so these work in both. There's also an USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, and a very simple manual in English, Chinese, and Japanese. The charger is well made. It's matte black with a rubbery finish that's smooth to the touch, but not slippery. Very nice to handle. As far as third-party chargers go, I like how this one is smaller than the well-known one from Teleson. It's basically a cube that's about 2 inches all the way around. There's an Artman logo in the front with 3 indicator lights, one for each battery slot. In the back, there's an USB-C port for charging and an indicator light. No additional rubber feet on the bottom, but the label in the center is indented, so the edges work as feet and the case sits flat and stable on the table. On the top is a cover. This is what made me go third party on the charger this time around. The cover has a latch so it stays closed securely. Under the cover, there is a thin foam pad to hold the batteries in place when the cover is closed. GoPro made the OEM charger for the latest GoPro 9 and 10 small, which is nice, but the batteries are now half exposed when they're charging in it. The OEM charger for the older GoPros, like this one for the GoPro 8, is taller and holds the entire batteries inside, so they don't fall out when I charge them on the go in my backpack or in the car. I've seen many people putting a rubber band around the new charger to hold the batteries in place. But I think this Artman charger with a cover is much more elegant and secure. It also fits 3 batteries instead of just 2. The charger I got came with 3 batteries. They have the exact same dimensions and weight as the GoPro OEM battery. The pull tab is in a slightly darker blue, a bit narrower but longer. There are 2 additional black stripes both on the top and the bottom. These are labeled battery for Hero 9 but will work on the 10 as well. I've had no problem using them on my GoPro 10 for the last few months. They're rated 1800 mAh, which is a bit more than the OEM battery at 1720 mAh, but I find them usually last a few minutes less than the GoPro OEM batteries. Plugging in the charger and the light next to the USB-C port glows blue. It's quite bright. The charger can charge at 5 volts up to 2.1 amps. The 3 indicator lights in the front will glow green when the slots are empty. When the battery is inserted and it's been charged, the light will turn red. When the battery is fully charged, it'll turn green again. It usually takes about 3 hours for me to fully charge all 3 batteries from mostly empty. At about $43 for the charger and 3 batteries. This is quite a bit cheaper than the OEM charger and batteries. There are additional discounts from time to time in the link I'll put in the description below. Looks like the same charger and batteries are also sold under other brands such as Reytric. The charger and the batteries have been working fine for me for many months. But the one catch is I've heard some folks have had issues with the quality control of the batteries. In most cases, the sellers were prompt to replace them, so you'd have to be okay with that if it happens. In any case, this charger actually works better for me than the OEM one since I can just throw the charger with the batteries inside in my backpack. or even charge them inside the backpack with a power bank on the go without worrying about the batteries falling out. By the way, GoPro cameras have come a long way, more than just an action camera. This latest GoPro Hero 10 can actually take pretty good videos and photos of a casual family outing in general. I'm planning to share a couple of accessories and settings I find useful. So subscribe to the channel if you're interested in using the GoPro for family videos and photos. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do you use all GoPro batteries and accessories, or go with cheaper or better third-party options? Let me know your good or bad experiences with them in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.